In the last episode, we realigned the body to the chassis and the chassis to the chassis table. With this reference point in place, we can now move on to the lateral reinforcement of the cage and make our windshield bar. We've taken a couple stabs at the windshield bar so far, and both failed miserably. The first was an attempt to reuse a section of our first main hoop, but it was a little too short. For the second try, we pulled our first sill bar design out of the scrap pile. We couldn't use it as a sill bar because our rules prefer straight bars to bent bars, and we realized that a little bit too late in the process. It was going great until I realized that I started a bend where that bend was supposed to end, and that piece of tubing went back into the scrap pile. After that, we had to start over from scratch.
Windshield bar. I've been working on this tube for a while now, I think since week 5. But to be fair, it's in a weird spot. It sits between the air pillars that are going inwards and up, and the windshield bar is going to end up just at the bend of these. So every time I go up a little bit more in the car, the windshield has to go a bit narrower. I don't want to have to redo it a 4th time, so this weekend I'm gonna make it fit perfectly snug with the body and get on with other things, hopefully. Guess what? The windshield bar is finally coped where it should be, and we're ready to weld it. And I'm happy that it's done, finally.